Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in sentiment, hitting plus 0.61, which is notably above our historical baseline. This shift suggests a sudden surge in positive feelings around investing that you don't want to overlook. Paired with a momentum score of plus 1.07, this indicates not just a fleeting sentiment, but a potential trend. With 19 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deep into the specific factors driving this optimism. Imagine using this data to inform your investment strategies, or to optimize your trading algorithms, allowing you to capitalize on emerging trends before they become mainstream. Our API returns rich sentiment data that can transform how you analyze market conditions. Ready to get started? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.